This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the expo in Bangkok and I just want to show you guys an MG Maxus 7. It's a minivan. We don't have that in Europe, but at least in Thailand it's coming, or maybe it's already here. Okay, Type 2 and CCS. Man, let me see. Okay, we have the same, this is getting more and more common now. Yeah, we have bridge design there, USB-C, USB-A with 12 outlets. We have wireless charging pad here. Buttons here, interesting. Not that big center console, weird. Not that good utilization of space there. Okay, and then let me see, can we fire, do we have a start button here? No key detector, yeah, they don't have any keys here, but there's no start button. But eventually it should fire up everything here. It should be like a demo mode. But where have I seen this design before? And then, okay. We cannot change. Okay. Can we at least adjust the seats? Yeah, I guess the seats can be adjusted. Headroom, plenty, of course. Okay. Front. Okay, this is another car. There are plenty of cars. I'll just check out this instead. Perforated seat. Do we have massage? I'm not sure. Probably not. But panorama roof. Nice. Let me check out the second row here. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay, we have this. Captain's chairs. Wait, is this just manual? Okay, so it's not that like that more premium like you find in some of the other Chinese cars. But I'm just trying to figure out how you adjust the seat. You probably have to. Okay, just pull this. You go forward and backward. This is a 6-seater, or actually, I'm not sure if it's a 6 or 7-seater. Possibly. Wow, it seems to be a 7-seater. 3 in the back, and then 2 in the middle, and 2 in the front. And let me check here. What space we have? Whoa, plenty of space. And then let me try. So if I recline, okay, now I'm going the most up position is like this, and then if I recline, whoa, what the heck? You can lay back so much here. Okay, but that eats up the space in the back. Let's check out the back then. It seems to be okay space in the back. Okay, you can recline a bit, but then you eat up the trunk space. Big window here, all right. Cup holder here with USB-A there. Is it the same for this side? Yes, same there. Oh, sorry for the noise there. They have some show now over there. But let me see. Isofix in the back here also. Wow. You're supposed to be able to fit 3 people here. I have to check the headroom here in the back. It's okay-ish. Well, actually, it's pretty good. Sorry for the music. I'm just going to show you now. This is where when you fold it. Wait. When you fold the seat, it becomes like this. Same here. Fold it. It becomes a big box there. And then you have space here. Okay. It's not the best, but okay. Yeah, they have some presentation over there. That's why there's a bit of noise, but check here. Okay. They could have made a small front here, but no. So maybe it's because Psych or MG, they could also have a fossil version of this. So then, here we guys have it. Yet another big SUV, another minivan. Yeah, Maxus 7. Will we ever see it in Europe? I don't think so, but it's at least fun to see what they have over here. But I get the impression that they have lots of these big family cars in the East. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.